So if you've been around here for a while, you know the monkey's fist is more than just a knot. It's history, it's art, it's a weapon, and it's even a toy. And now it's on a handkerchief. But we're not just stopping there. This is an exclusive collab between the Weavers of Eternity, Paracord Weavers, and Awesome Hank. Now this might be a collab that nobody asked for, but I hope you're all on board with it. A pocket-sized everyday carry Hank, rocking a custom monkey's fist Begleri design that's never been seen before. So this thing isn't just for show, as it's functional, built tough, and sized perfectly for your everyday carry. Whether you're wiping down your gear, lining a tray, or just flexing some knotcraft in your pocket, that also makes for a great conversation starter. These Hanks are incredibly well made and an extremely useful piece of kit, as the microfiber on the backside is very high quality and super luxurious feeling, and that means that it works, and it works really well. And if you take a look closely here, we have a lanyard attachment point where the brass grommet is, which means that you can tie on your own paracord lanyard of choice, as the kit will also come with a few extra pieces of cord. So that being said, we wanted to give you more than just a collector's item, so we're also dropping a DIY monkey's fist Begleri kit in an exclusive colorway that was handpicked by me, bundled with the Hank, with everything you need to make your own set. You get the paracord, the bearings, and of course, potentially a new skill to show off. I can't promise you'll land the trick first try though, of course. So the monkey's fist has always been one of those knots that looks as good as it feels to tie. It's timeless and functional, and for us in the paracord community, it's pretty much iconic at this point. So we wanted to celebrate that legacy while giving you something you can use, carry, and build yourself. So I personally love everyday carry and I love paracord. So we figured this would be a winning combo of EDC gear and paracord skill toy for you to add to your pockets or sling bags. So this drop is quite limited, so be sure to act fast if this is something you think you're interested in. Quantities are small because honestly, we're not sure how many people would be into this sort of thing, but if it sells out really quickly, there is a chance of a second run. So mark your calendars, get your fingers ready, and grab yours before they disappear. Full details are in the description box below, and the drop will take place on the Awesome Hank website. Be sure to use code WEAVERS10 for a nice discount. The Hanks are crafted with precision, and the legacy tied by you.